Hi guys, it's Nikki. I also totally forgot to introduce my dog. This is Rue. This is my little 6-year-old Pomeranian. She'll probably be in a lot of videos, kind of just in the background, chilling. This is Pawnee. He is our 6-year-old Pomsky, so he'll probably be on the couch because he's a little couch potato. Also, this is my fish. He is an albino tiger oscar. His name is Voldemort. I like the natural lighting of my living room floor, so I think he's gonna be in the background of a lot of my videos. So if you see him or hear him rustling around, that's totally normal. He just does that all the time. So I wanted to make another quick video. I got a couple requests to do something about lashes. So that is what I'm gonna do today. I'm not wearing lashes because I'm going to do a review of Glamnetics. I also wanted to preface this video by saying I am not being paid in any way, shape, or form for these reviews. All of these opinions are my own. They do not reflect anybody else's opinion, including the company that I work for, which shall remain nameless because I don't want to get fired. It is a super popular brand of magnetic eyelashes. It's pretty much an Instagram-based company. The CEO is crazy young, crazy rich, crazy good entrepreneur, I guess. So let's get into it. I saw these Glamnetics online. I was like, wow, I need these. I do my eyelashes every single day. Every single day. But I saw a bunch of videos. They were ads, or I watched YouTube videos before I purchased the Glamnetics, because obviously I wanted to make sure that they were good before I bought them. So hopefully this can help out somebody else who's also trying to do the same thing. So I watched a bunch of YouTube videos and I was like, okay, these have got to be good. Everybody thinks that they're really good. I'm pretty sure that they were compensated or the lashes were free and they just made a video on them. Anyways, so I'm sitting there watching this and I'm like, it, this looks great, right? Wrong. I, of course, was really upset by the price, all right? Literally, one pair of lashes is $30. What? The eyeliner? $40 for an eyeliner. So I was already blown away. It would be $70 just to get one pair of eyelashes and one eyeliner. So of course, me being me, I'm like, I'm gonna get this for Christmas. I'm gonna have somebody else pay for this because there is no way I can do that. So my poor mother, bless her soul, got $130 worth of lashes and lash glue. And when I say lash glue, I mean liner, because that's what their eyeliner feels like, is glue. So I got the lashes around October because I ordered them, and then my mom was like, hey, I'll buy them for you. She ended up making me wait until Christmas to open them because that's just how she is. And I was really excited. So on Christmas Day, I decided to do my whole makeup and then use the eyelashes. I was like, wow, this is gonna look great. I cannot wait for this to be so much easier than gluing every single day. It's not, okay? I went downstairs to my room. I applied the eyeliner just like it says. You wait until it's 80% dry and then you apply the magnets, and all I can say is the eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner, is glue. It's glue. So when you try to put the liner on, your eyelashes glue together and it gets really gunky, gross. Just glue. Your eyelashes are glued together. Maybe this is just a fluke thing. So I contact customer service and I was like, hey, I got my eyelashes and my eyeliner and the eyeliner is really gluey. Is that normal? So they asked me to send a picture. They asked me for my order number. Customer service is excellent for Glamnetic. I will just say that. So I got a new one in 2 days. They sent it in 2 days, which is really cool. It was free. And that liner was also shit. So I pretty much was like, all right, this is the normal consistency of it, whatever. I ended up purchasing it from a store and it was better. The liner was definitely less gluey, but obviously when it dries, it's still like glue. So these are all the lashes that I purchased for $130. And then I also got the liner. It's just the regular liquid liner. So all of the lashes, like I said, are gorgeous. This is what one of them looks like. It's like faux mink, really, really cute. It has instructions on the back on how to apply. It says remove and set aside the 4 pre-magnetized anchors. Those anchors are useless, just so you know. They all come with these little teeny tiny sticks on the front, and they're supposed to like clamp your real lashes between them. It's horrible. They're useless. I have thrown every single one of them away. These are the lash anchors that I'm talking about, right? You can't even see them, but there's 2 of them here, and they're supposed to go on the inner corner. Oh God, I just dropped one. Yeah, I am never gonna find that again. But like I said, all of these lashes are gorgeous. They're all super full. They look realistic. They're pretty fine. I do really like the lashes. So not only do they clump and gunk up your real lashes, but they're also impossible to clean because you can't scratch the magnet. You have to peel the glue liner off the magnet, and it doesn't work like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these and show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm gonna put this liner on. And Rue is also really excited about this. So usually I just shake it for a minute just because I'm thinking that that makes it less gluey or something. I don't know. And then I go ahead and apply it right on top of my eyeliner just because I know that this shit won't move. So it's pretty thick. It's like standard liner when it first comes out and it's not dry yet. Well, I'm getting my eyelashes all in it. Cool. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Oh my God. That's another thing. Makeup remover? Nope, this is not coming off. I promise you that. All right, so we're gonna let it dry, see what happens. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the magnetic lashes. All right, so I chose to apply Lash Venus. They're kind of wispy, a little bit more natural looking. So I kind of like these ones just because the other ones I have are a little bit crazy, but they were all a part of a pack that's specifically for the cat eye look. I think these are dry. I just know that my lashes are all stuck, like all glued together right now. And tonight when I get out of the shower, the glue is still gonna be on my eyelashes. Okay, so this is what the lashes look like. They have, oh, it won't focus. They have teeny tiny little magnets on all the side of it. So this one has glue left on it because I thought I would never be using these again, and I thought I was just gonna throw them away at some point, but you know, it happens. Like I said, I'm peeling glue. I can't scratch these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these on. I guarantee they do not snap like in the Instagram ones where the girls just put them close and they just boop, like that doesn't happen. You have to really fidget it around. I wonder if I'm not putting enough eyeliner on, but I'm too scared to put any more on because I'm pretty sure all my real lashes would be gone if I did that. So as you can see, the lashes are pretty. Like, I do really like the lashes, but I wish that they were glue on, honestly. like I said, they don't click into place. I actually have to move them and they get stuck to the liner. Like stuck as in like glue stuck. Like right now it's stuck to my real lashes because there's a gunk of it in my real lashes. Oh my God. Okay. Also, what I hate is because I don't use the anchors, every time the inner corner like comes off, glue is gonna be the only thing that really sticks it. I thought this was gonna be easier, but honestly, it's a lot harder. I can apply glue on lashes so much quicker than this. All right, so long story short, my poor mother spent $130 on lashes that I don't think I'm going to be wearing anytime soon, just because even though their customer service is great and their lashes are beautiful, I can't get on board with the liner and it's way too expensive to try a new one. Their other like felt tip one, I think is $40, but that's the only other one I would try. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna stick to my regular glue-ons. Glue-ons are my favorite. I will definitely have to make a video about my favorite lash glue-ons and glue, but I just wanted to give y'all a heads up on Glamnetic. Do not believe the Instagram posts. The liner comes off with the magnets. Like, there's no way that this is real. And yeah, they probably would stand the blow dryer test because the liner is glue. So if you're looking to buy them and you're looking at reviews like I did, I'm telling you, listen to me. That it is not real. So for $30 per lash, I could get 3 of these. And then I'm just gonna stick to my $12 lash glue because I've ridden a roller coaster with that and it does not come off. All right, so that concludes today's video. Please leave a comment below on what you'd like me to do next. I would love to have any more advice or any more comments from you guys. It was really nice seeing them on my first video. I was super nervous and I still am super nervous, but thank you guys for being so supportive. I am going to be doing these videos quite often. I think I have a ton of content. I have more makeup than I know what to do with, trust me. So let me know what you guys want me to do. Like and subscribe this video for more from me, and I appreciate you all. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later.